Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Joby, Joby. Now, interestingly, look at the last few days before today. So, anyway, today Joby had the big announcement that this is a vertical takeoff and landing company, okay, and they had some major announcement, I guess. We saw this in the pre-market, had a nice pre-market move. What prevented me from really getting all over this, though, is because the float was 311 million. And I figured, okay, I mean, this has already moved quite a lot in the pre-market. Look what it kept doing. It got, I mean, the market opened 699 and this got up to 910. And believe it or not, it still has some room. I think 970 or so is the next high looking left. This is a scanner that I'm really paying a lot of attention to now, is my option scanner. You can see it at 11 or even late. You would have thought, wow, this is a little bit late at 11 o'clock, 8:43. But you know, it did get up to 912. And also here though, on my 10-day daily breakout, right there earlier, 956 at $8. Now, if you're wondering why wouldn't it show up earlier, I had a momentum scan that was showing up earlier, but there are certain filters in place with those other two scans that would have prevented this from happening or seeing it a little bit earlier. But even if it's so-called late, you're still, tremendous percentage runs from those first alerts. Well, anyway, guys, that was just an awesome trade, and it still may have something in it if it takes out 9. Okay, everybody, want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.